The round body air cylinder, the most ordinary actuator on the factory floor, which is exactly why TPC rebuilt it. This is the TCM2 Series, double-acting, single-rod, renewed. Rated piston speeds run from 50 to 750 mm per second, driven fast and caught soft. A rubber cushion soaks up the end of every stroke. The renewal starts at the rod, carbon steel, running with less deflection. Inside, urethane rod packing, NBR piston packing, a resin wear ring. Together, a service life of 1.5 times or more. Built to resist dust and to run without added lubrication. Compact and light. The 20mm bore weighs 140 grams. 4 bores, 20 to 40 millimeters. Strokes from 25 to 300. 8 mounting styles: foot, flange, clevis, and trunnion, with a magnet built in as standard. Simple to mount, with improved mounting accuracy. It drops into the machine you already run. One code orders it all: series, mount, bore, stroke, and switch. The TCM2 Series, the ordinary cylinder, renewed, from TPC Robotics.